Did you know your zodiac sign shapes how the full moon affects you? In today's video, we'll share exactly what this full moon means for you based on your zodiac sign. By the end, you'll know exactly what to focus on, what to release, and how to align your energy during this powerful lunar shift. Drop your zodiac sign in the comments, and let's get into it. Aries, focus on relationships. The full moon will activate your relationships. It's time to reflect on your connections, both personal and professional. You might feel the need to balance giving and receiving in your partnerships. This full moon asks you to focus on nurturing your closest bonds. If a relationship feels out of alignment, it's time to release any tension and make space for harmony. To help you release any tension and restore harmony, tools like amethyst and carnelian can open the heart and bring balance. The Aries Crystal and Bracelet Kit includes these stones to support your emotional growth during this transformative time. Taurus, realign your routine. The full moon shines a light on your health and daily routines. You may feel inspired to make small but significant changes in your lifestyle. Take this opportunity to assess your physical well-being and emotional habits. Let go of anything that's no longer serving you, especially stress or unhealthy patterns. It's time to embrace a healthier, more balanced approach. Grounding stones like lapis lazuli and rose quartz from your Taurus Crystal and Bracelet Kit will help you maintain a calm, steady energy throughout this process. Gemini, reignite your creativity. Creativity is calling your name. The full moon is activating your self-expression and passions. You might feel a burst of inspiration, so lean into it. Whether it's a hobby or work-related project, now is the time to focus on what lights you up. Let go of any doubts or fear of judgment and step into your creative power. To support clear thinking and creative energy, try using hematite and black obsidian from your Gemini Crystal and Bracelet Kit to ground and amplify your ideas. If this message found you at the right time, give it a like. The universe and the algorithm thanks you. Cancer, nurture your space. This full moon is all about your home and family life. Emotions are heightened, and it's a good time to take stock of your personal life. How are your home and family relationships supporting you? You may feel the need to release any lingering negative emotions tied to your personal space. Create a peaceful environment that nurtures your heart and soul. The soothing energy of rainbow moonstone and rose quartz from your Cancer Crystal and Bracelet Kit will help you create harmony and emotional healing at home. Leo, speak your truth. The full moon is bringing your communication to the forefront. You may feel the urge to speak your truth and share your thoughts with those around you. Use this time to express what's been building inside you. Whether it's a conversation with a loved one or a public message, now is the time to be clear and authentic. Let go of any fears or hesitations about expressing your voice. To support clear, confident communication, use Tiger's Eye and Bloodstone from your Leo Crystal and Bracelet Kit. These stones will ground your energy and empower your expression. Virgo, redefine your worth. This full moon is highlighting your finances and self-worth. Take a deep dive into your relationship with money, security, and your own value. You might feel the need to release any limiting beliefs or financial stress. Embrace the abundance that's available to you and start building a more positive relationship with your resources. The lapis lazuli and amethyst stones in your Virgo Crystal and Bracelet Kit will help you align with your highest potential and attract prosperity while enhancing your self-esteem. We're halfway through. That's 6 signs down, 6 to go. So tell us, who here has already been called out? Did your full moon message hit home? Drop your zodiac in the comments. We want to hear it. Libra, restore balance in relationships. The full moon is activating your one-on-one relationships. This is a time to reflect on how your partnerships are serving you. If any relationships are out of balance, now is the time to reassess. You may also feel a pull to end a toxic relationship or make space for healthier connections. To support emotional clarity and balance, the Libra Kit includes Tiger's Eye for confidence and lapis lazuli to enhance communication and self-expression. Scorpio, break free from old habits. For Scorpio, this full moon is all about your daily routines and health. You might feel the urge to make adjustments to your habits or lifestyle. Whether it's your fitness routine, eating habits, or work-life balance, now is the time to release any old unproductive patterns that no longer serve you. The Scorpio Kit features carnelian and smoky quartz, powerful stones to detox your energy, ground your focus, and support deep transformation as you rewrite your daily rhythms. Sagittarius, step into your creative power. The full moon is lighting up your creative side. This is a powerful time to focus on your passions and bring your ideas into the world. You may feel a sudden burst of inspiration, so take advantage of it. Let go of any fear that your creativity isn't good enough. The universe is asking you to step into your power. To spark creativity and confidence, your Sagittarius Kit includes amethyst for wisdom and balance and clear quartz to amplify intentions and mental clarity. If your zodiac reading resonated, show some love and give this video a like. Capricorn, heal your emotional foundations. the full moon is activating your home and family life. You might feel the need to release old emotional baggage or let go of family dynamics that no longer serve you. This is a time for emotional cleansing and making space for healing within your personal life. Lean into the nurturing energy of rainbow fluorite and black onyx from your Capricorn kit. Perfect allies for emotional grounding and releasing what no longer feels like home. Aquarius, speak with clarity and purpose. The full moon is all about communication. This is an ideal time to have honest conversations with those around you. Whether it's work or personal matters, speak your truth and clear up any misunderstandings. You may also feel inspired to share your message with a wider audience. To support authentic and clear expression, your Aquarius kit includes hematite and rose quartz, stones that enhance clarity, calm your mind, and help you communicate from the heart. Pisces, embrace abundance and self-worth. This full moon is activating your finances and self-worth. You may feel the urge to reassess your relationship with money and material security. It's time to let go of any limiting beliefs or fears around money. Embrace abundance and trust that the universe has plenty to offer. Amethyst and rose quartz found in your Pisces kit can help shift your mindset to one of abundance, clear emotional blocks, and invite prosperity into your life. That's a wrap on how this full moon is showing up for every zodiac sign. Let us know in the comments. Did your message resonate? And if you're ready to align your energy, don't forget, our Zodiac Crystal Kit collection is 30% off right now with code ZODIAC30. Want to make the most of this full moon? Check out our next video on what to do and avoid during the full moon. It's packed with tips to help you work with this energy, not against it. See you there, mindful souls.